Hey, what's up? Good morning, people. Another day, going after it. I had yesterday off, which is super nice. I just relaxed. I watched The Last Dance, bunch of episodes. There's still 2 that I haven't released yet, so I'm waiting for those last 2 this Sunday. And yeah, so Supreme has some items dropping today. I want to go after that lawn chair. I want to go after that Silver Surfer sweater by Daniel Johnston. Basically, in this channel, I show you getting the items from Supreme and then showing them off to you guys so you can know what the items really look like. So when you go out to resell items and to try and make some profit with some side cash that you've been able to get, you can know whether or not some of the things you're buying are legit. You can kind of be familiar with how Supreme does its packaging and all that fun stuff. Now their items kind of look and whatnot, for the most part, how they do their tags and all that stuff. Because once you get familiar, then you can start knowing what's real and fake and helping other people out. So I like how we can all be a part of this community that just kind of gathers together and talks over different releases, what's going to be hot, what's not going to be hot, what's going to resell, you know, all this stuff. It's pretty fun. I love being part of Twitter and talking to all those people in there. So definitely subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, all those things, and we can be friends in this resale world. So I gotta get after work today. I do have a couple of different items coming in today from some different boutique stores, and then one from StockX, DHL delivery. Strange that they don't use one of the 3 popular delivery options, but I don't know. Maybe too many people have had problems with them not arriving to their house, because, yeah, I've had some problems with GOAT and UPS. But anyways, I gotta get after it. About to get going with delivering this route, all this mail for today. Supreme drop just happened for week 12, and I went after that lawn chair first, added it to cart. It sold out before I could check out. It seemed like everything was going for me on this one. But yeah, I guess here in the United States, a lot of people wanted it, and all the bots got it, and all the people manually copying got it. I know a lot of people manually were able to get it. Yeah, my screen wasn't really loading as quickly as it should have. It was being a lot slower than I was hoping. It wasn't that slow though. Anyways, I went back in, did a bunch of other things. I wanted to get that Cordura black hat with the mini box logo, and if it comes up on StockX and it's still around, you know, 60 bucks, I'm probably just gonna pick that up on StockX, just like I did with that cutout sweater that we're going to be looking at later in this video. But yeah, so I copped a sweater that we'll look at next week from week 12. I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is, but yeah, you'll see it next week. Anyways, you can get after it. It's a wonderful day. Can't complain, right? Good. Oh man.
One going out.
Gotta get a shot of this puppy.
Yeah. Well, you wanna see some better ones?
Oh yeah. Let's head back. Hey, what's happening, fellow preem heads, sneaker addicts, hypees, and Pokemon enthusiast, music enthusiast for this one. I have a couple of different items I'm going to be opening up today. Oh, and anybody who likes watching vlogs, there we go. This is kind of a vlog. It started out that way. I'd like to continue, but you know, I film as much as I can for work. Obviously, doing it every single day with this crazy amount of work I'm doing physically is difficult to do mentally as well. But anyways, subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, share it with everybody. I am doing a raffle once I hit 3,000 subscribers. I'll be giving away a Supreme sticker pack, so that'll go to anybody in the whole world. Anybody can DM me on Instagram and enter that raffle. So we are going after the item from, where did it come from? Uniqlo. I don't even know how to say that name, but this is that Pokemon and Daniel Arsham, yeah. Pokemon Daniel Arsham collab. I saw it on one of the restocks. They had a size medium, so I went and grabbed it. I was trying to get a larger size, but you all know that was difficult to do. Plus, you know, I'm working, so I'm just looking at Twitter randomly. I don't even have notifications turned on. I just went onto Twitter and randomly there was a restock there. And then I started getting a bunch of Instagram ads for this shirt as well. Don't know how many of you guys experienced that, but yeah, for the first part, we're just in this cloudy plastic bag with some warning information, and then the piece itself actually has a piece of plastic over the graphic, the screen printed graphic. Yeah, hey, this isn't too bad of a size medium. It's a standard American size medium, I would say. It's not the Japanese style medium or the European medium. This is United States medium for the bigger size people. Don't take offense. I mean, I'm just saying. Here we go, back of the neck. Here's some labels for you to look at. Our tags. There we go. That's what you're going to be looking at if you buy one of these from their website. There's your graphic. Pretty amazing. And then one other thing to note, I guess, is you do have this medium sticker that's on here. I'm going to take that off. I'll go ahead and see how this size medium fits. Normally I wear a size large, but let's just try it out. And there you go. Fits me pretty normal. Now you guys know what a size medium looks like. Just basic, pretty standard. It has a good length overall. You never know with the size medium though. Sometimes they can be a little bit wonky for me. A lot of times the chest won't be wide enough. This area won't be wide. They'll try to slim fit it, but this one is definitely standard sizing, has enough width in there. And with shorts, definitely looks all right. I think I dig it. There we go. Definitely a decent price. And as time progresses, I do see this shirt gaining some value. And yeah, so we're gonna get into the J Baldwin, Takashi Murakami. How do you say his name? Takashi Murakami. I mean, I couldn't get the Supreme Takashi Murakami box logo collab COVID-19 whole tee, so this was the second best. I wanted to get a white tee with that artist. So Balvin has a bunch of collab items that he did with Takashi. So I went ahead and grabbed the one that spoke to me from Webster. Their company sends their receipt in a nice envelope. This was not a low price item like this Pokemon tee. This one was a little bit more expensive. I'm just gonna go ahead, break this Webster sticker seal, all this tissue paper, and there we go. Right away in there, you see the flower with the lightning bolts, eyes. It does come in a Ziploc bag, not as sturdy as the one Supreme uses. If you guys are familiar with those, just real thin, but it does have that cool graphic on there. You can already see what my shirt says, maybe you can't. This plastic though, you can't see that well, but it says J Baldwin on there, the musical artist. Then the little size large sticker down there. I'm gonna go ahead, pull this out of this amazing Ziploc bag. Very cool. Always love it when they do little branding hints here and there. This t-shirt is very high quality. This cotton fabric is very nice. Unlike this Daniel Arsham collab with Pokemon tee, I mean, it's just a tee. It's just whatever. Discount quality. But this one, high quality, you can see it in the fabric, see it in the knit. It's got some, I don't know, more of a gradient to it, I guess you can see, in a high quality cotton. Back of the neck, this tag, a little bit weird. Some sort of an iron-on patch, I guess. That's what we're looking at for the back of the neck, sort of just bleeding everywhere. And then on the bottom left hanging, you do have this label tag from the Webster. Gives you some information on that tee, and then your wash tag. There we go, 100% cotton, made in USA. It's so funny that this shirt, this Blanco shirt, is actually printed Blanco over top the white. So Blanco means white in Spanish. That's just how J Baldwin did his album this round. He's just exploring colors and loving on them. But anyways, they printed white on white. This is actually white ink inside of each of these petals of his flower, of Takashi's flower, with J Balvin, a little spark there. But yeah, I do like this shirt quite a bit. Oh, I didn't even notice this. On the back, you have a TM trademark. And anyways, all right, I'll go ahead. I'll throw this one on. See what you guys think. And there we go. This white one, solid Blanco. Definitely good color for me to wear on a hot summer day. Nice quality cotton. Feels very premium and soft and just comfy. It's a nice tee for sure, high quality. So there you go, screen printed on there. And can you even tell that little, yeah, you can kind of tell it's back there. Nice little hint there. All right. We're gonna get into the last item, the Supreme Cutout crew neck that I really wanted to grab. I waited for StockX to drop one of the colorways down in price. Finally, there was one that dropped down, the green one. So that's the one I nabbed. And yeah, you guys can already kind of tell the tint. Ooh, nice lime green, very, very limey green. This one had to come all the way from the UK, and they used DHL. I don't know, it actually came fairly quickly. Some other Supreme stuff didn't even ship yet, so I guess that's why I got it from one of the guys over in Europe. They probably got their shipment before the US people. But anyways, looks like the StockX company does give you a receipt, that StockX bag, and then they have this verification thing. Oh look, they have a cool little picture on there, some cause, and I mean a StockX sticker. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I mean, it's good. I'm glad StockX is around so I can get some of the Supreme stuff sooner. I had to go with that StockX price because nobody's beating it right now. So here is the sticker tag. There you go, back of the neck. You just have your warning information in here, and then there is that cutout box logo. I mean, I just saw Instagram pictures, and after a while, Twitter feeds, people have just been posting. I had to nab it. Got our StockX tag verified. Man, how does this StockX thing even come out? It's gonna just have to break it. That is kind of lame, but wow, weird. I'm not into that StockX tag at all. Anyways, one thing that's different about this crew neck than the other Supreme box logo crew necks is that there is no ribbing on the side. It's just a standard crew neck, just a sew line down the sides there, which does give you a wash tag on the left side. So we've got the front side, the back side. Let's see, is there Supreme written in there? I can't really tell. I don't see it too much. And then you've also got the inside of that box logo. Inside out, that's what you're looking at. Individual cut pieces of fabric to make that Supreme logo. Honestly, to do all this extra work, it probably costs more than embroidering, but I don't know. It's just pieces of the fabric sewn in. Embroidery is a whole bunch of stitching, so I'm gonna take that back actually. This is probably a little bit easier to make, and since it didn't have the ribbing, not as high quality of a sweater to begin with. When I got it from StockX in that DHL bag from the delivery guy, I was thinking, man, this is kind of light compared to some of the other ones. If I weigh these, probably about the same. I was probably just bugging, probably just thinking, oh no, this sweater is supposed to be way heavier. My other ones are so much thicker, but getting it out, I mean, it's pretty thick. All right, let's go ahead, let's test it out. Alright, could have gone with the medium maybe, but I do like that oversized fit. Just has that extra bit of comfort when it's got that extra room. I don't know about with these kicks, what do you guys think? Do these colors go well? When I was picking everything out, I was trying to go with this sweater, but I don't really have anything this color especially shoes. Alright, well anyways, I'm going to shoot some positivity at you guys from the YouVersion Bible app on my phone. I'm going to read from Colossians chapter 1 verses 19 and 20. God was also pleased to bring everything on earth and in heaven back to himself through Christ. Basically, this verse is telling us that God came down to earth in the form of Jesus, and his way of living, his pathway, showed all of humanity what direction we should be heading in. And I love that direction that Jesus showed. It's a way of loving others, caring for the marginalized, regardless of their past. It's really just a way of giving people more chances, of just using every moment of your life, living moment to moment, making that next moment count even more. How can you make your future that much brighter, that much better? By living each moment to the fullest and then creating a lifestyle of this. And so after a while, you know, you'll be reselling, you'll be doing this stuff, and you keep up with it. You make sure you're on top of things. And if you catch yourself starting to slip, you know, you pull yourself back, you recenter, and then you realize in that moment, you know, you got to refocus, and then that next moment you can go and tear it up again. Right now, I know a lot of people are in the process of rebuilding. Pretty much everybody almost in the entire world is needing to rebuild right now. So come along this journey with me as I do that, as well as we go out to live our life with other people in mind, knowing we can have our own personality, we can be ourselves, we can have our own endeavors, and we can do it while at the same time keeping others and their well-being in mind. So I am still waiting on Nike to send me some more kicks. I need some more shoes for work. I've been rocking those Nike React 55s for a very long time. They're really comfortable. They're barely my size. My foot fits in them like a glove. They're great, but I am really smashing that foam. Not a whole bunch of life left. And I really want to check out the Jordan Royal Toes. Come on. Those are going to be here soon. So anyways, hit the bell to get notifications about new videos, and we'll be golden. Love y'all. Peace.